Hi, welcome back NextTech Spark.
In today's video, I will show you how to install and use the WhatsApp application on your Windows 10 operating system. The brand of your device could be Lenovo, Dell, HP, Asus, Microsoft, Samsung, or others. So before we begin, let's get started with the video. First of all, I will proceed to install WhatsApp on Windows and set up the WhatsApp application. After that, I will guide you on how to use the WhatsApp application.to install WhatsApp. I will open a browser. You can use any browser of your choice.